I'm Attorney Michael Karen. I wanted to talk to you about a few secrets that the workers' comp carriers in the state of Connecticut don't want you to know about. The first and most important is that you have to file a Form 30C. It's a written notification of your injury within 1 year of the date of your injury. If you fail to do this, with a few exceptions, then you don't have a claim on the 366th day after your accident. So you have to do it even if you think that your supervisor knows about it, or you've told your coworkers, or even if you filled out written paperwork at work. That doesn't do it. You have to file a Form 30C with the Workers' Comp Commission and with your employer within 1 year of the date of the injury. If you don't, you're out of luck. The second thing is that the insurance company has 28 days to file a notice of contest once you file this claim notice called the 30C. If they fail to do that, they're out of luck. They can't contest the nature or the extent of your damages after the 28 days. They either have to pay you or contest the case. The third thing is that you don't have to treat with the company doctor. Often you're told you got to go to this clinic or that clinic, and it's simply not true. The only way they can make you go to their doctor is if they have a managed care plan, and that has to be submitted and approved by the Workers' Comp Commission. There is a repository of this information in the Hartford office, and you can check with that office to find out if your employer actually does have a managed care. Only if they do, then you have to treat with their doctor. Otherwise, you can and you should go where you want to go, not where they tell you to go. The next thing that the insurance companies don't want you to know is that generally a year from the date of your injury, or a year from the date of surgery, if you were unfortunate enough to need surgery, you're entitled to something called a specific award. And that is when your doctor determines you've reached maximum medical improvement, you're not going to get any better and you're not going to get substantially worse. You're entitled to a determination that you've suffered an impairment by your doctor. And that translates to a certain number of weeks of impairment that you're entitled to. And lastly, the insurance companies don't like you to know that if you can't go back to your job because of the injuries you sustain, and if you have to accept a job that doesn't pay as much, or you can't go back to work at all, you're entitled to benefits for the lesser amount that you're able to now earn because of your injuries. This is for a finite period of time, but these are benefits to which you're entitled. Thanks for listening.